Vetiver is believed to be deeply relaxing and comforting. It is used as a base note in perfumery and aromatic applications. This oil is useful in dispelling irritability, anger, and hysteria while having a balancing effect on the hormonal system. Vetiver helps to reduce wrinkles and stretch marks while nourishing and moisturizing the skin. It is also beneficial for helping wounds heal. Vetiver oil's therapeutic properties are antiseptic, cicatrisant, nervine, sedative, tonic, and vulnerary. There is no known toxicity. Avoid high concentrations during pregnancy. Vetiver is a base note.